Hey, it's Nissan Locksmith here. Alright, we're going to change the battery here on our 5-button remote. For this test here, you will need a flat tip screwdriver. If your key ring is on, go ahead and leave it on. It will actually help you. If you look on the back, you have your little emergency release. Go ahead and push down and your emergency key will come out. And then when you look in the bottom of your remote, you'll see there's a little indentation on each corner. That is where you want to put your little flat tip screwdriver in there. And when you put it in there, go ahead and just twist it. And you notice the remote came apart. Go ahead and put the top half down. Go ahead and take your flat tip screwdriver. Then you'll have an indentation here and you'll have a little one here. You can try going here, but you have to put pressure. The easiest part we found is right here where there's the opening. And all you need to do is just get the corner of the screwdriver in there and lift your battery out. And your battery's out. This calls for a CR2032 battery. Go ahead and take your battery, slide it back in. Positive side down. Where we're using the same battery on here, because these are new remotes we're using for these demos. I like to turn around and leave the front part of the remote down, that way the buttons stay where they're at. Then I like to put the back half on here like so. Squeeze it and you'll hear it snap. Go and put your emergency blade back in, and there you go, you've just changed your battery. Thanks for watching Nissan Locksmith.